China is a country that is always changing, but there's something about their phones that you may not know about. I recently got an Oppo phone, which is a Chinese brand here, and when I plugged it in, you can see that it has this super fast charging here, where you can actually see it charging. It's using 64 watts and can charge about half an hour to 15 minutes. Online, it also shows you that you can charge it in 9 minutes if you have a 240-watt charger. Other thing feature in Asia is also the 5G network. It's a very fast internet, so I'm using the data on my phone, just doing an internet speed test. I'm getting about 60 megabytes of download and about 44 gigabyte megabytes upload speed. So the internet speeds are quite fast, and the price is unbelievably cheap. You can see Canada's way up there, but per 1 gigabyte, it's less than a dollar, about 60 cents per gigabyte. I spend about $20 a month on my data. So the next thing is the GPS tracking. You can see it actually shows you where your car is in what lane, and it also will indicate and tell you when the traffic light is going to change. So everything's all connected on the network, and then it'll give you a prompting so you know when to take off. And the green light is a go. Now, cell phones also are used for paying, just using mobile paying, and I rarely use the cash since coming here as well. From everything from the subway station to the trains, everything this uses the phone. So if your phone's not working and it's broken and you need to get it working again, please check out my website, newsonselectronics.ca, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tech videos. See you in the next one.